Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I don't know if you can see this, but this cabbage has just really taken off. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to have to transplant it or transplant these other things that are in this tote so that I can have enough I can have enough room for them all. This guy is huge. There's actually two of them here, but the one over here is the biggest one, and this one is getting crowded out by it. It's not shabby itself, but it's it's not as big as this one right here. Anyway, I am thankful for getting to be excited over things growing again. That is one of the things that I'm super excited about. I haven't seen, I guess this is kind of a grow room update. I haven't seen a lot of improvement on this tomato plant, but I did pull it out just to see if it was like gonna survive, and at least one of these is growing roots, so I see that. And I still haven't had time to deal with the basil yet, but it seems to be just kind of hanging in there with the water covering its roots. Also, I got 3 peppers in there, and this is that potato that was planted a little while ago by the kids. I haven't seen any sprouts yet, but I keep watering in hopes that I get something, hopes that they get something. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos from us. And if you like to interact on social media, we are on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, and we'll be happy to interact with you on any of those platforms as well as YouTube. We are also an Amazon affiliate, so if you see anything in the description box below, don't hesitate to go check it out, and if you purchase something, you'll help yourself out as well as us. Now, with all of that being said, I think I can say anyway. That's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.